Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. My name is Amaris and my company is Glamorous by Amaris. If you love all things makeup, fashion, everything, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Today I have a fall try on, but not just any fall try on. This is the Highlowluxxe X Amazon The Drop collection. So exciting. Highlowluxxe, she is a beautiful, honestly my inspiration for fashion, and she's from the Northern VA area, and being from Northern VA myself, you know, I had to support. So I actually purchased the whole collection and we're going to jump right in because I want to show you how I would wear these pieces. So starting with what I have on, this is the wrap dress. I'm going to include cell phone footage so you can see the whole head to toe and the shoes. Everything I have I got in an XL, and this is the wrap dress. Very comfortable. I went ahead and just paired it with this little belt from New York & Company. Just some cute little drop earrings. And yes, it's cream. It's a very soft material, definitely good quality, and I'm very happy to have this. I do have to mention the drop was a limited thing, so I mean, who knows? I'm sure her collection did so well. I'm sure Amazon will have her back, so be sure to check that out the next time. Super comfortable. I don't know what poses I'm doing. Super comfortable and easy to wear. So let's get into the next fit. Okay, this might be my favorite fit. Again, I will have cell phone footage on the side somewhere in here. This is the jumpsuit. It's like a tannish color. This is so comfortable. This is so cute. As you will see in the cell phone footage, I decided to pair it with some white strappy heels. This can definitely be casual. I could definitely put some sneakers with this, but this is adorable. I just decided to pair it with just some plain gold hoops. I threw on some glasses. Of course, we can do it without the glasses. These are just by the company Key, and they're the blue light glasses. And I thought it'd be cute to carry this little purse here. This is from Zara. I got it about a year ago, and I just like the print. The white in it, I feel, goes with obviously the white sandals. So this might be a favorite. This is probably getting worn this weekend. This is very, very cute. So this is a winner. A+. All right, we're gonna casual it up a little bit. So as you can see how I styled it in the cell phone footage, I wanted to see how something would look with jeans. So this is cute because it's casual yet not lazy casual, a very elegant casual. This top is beautiful. I love the shoulder pads. I love the button detail. I love the material. This is so comfortable, so breathable. This is very office on a Friday. And I just paired it with this little box clutch bag that I got from ASOS a few years back, and some black sunglasses from Key. Very, very Friday happy hour vibes. And I am loving this piece. So cute. This look so casual and cute, so I wanted to dress it up a little bit with putting on a very easy heel, such a blocky heel you will see in the cell phone footage. I'll show you with and without a jacket because this is how I would wear it. It's really cute with my little mini Gucci bag. So this is just such an easy shopping Saturday lounge, comfortable. Since they're sweats, you can definitely go ahead and wear it with sneakers, but I thought it'd be cute to have the dusty pink accessories. Even though it's cream, this is such fall vibes, and this is cozy, okay? This is going to get worn a lot. If she ever gets to do this with Amazon again, I hope to see this set in many more colors because this is a vibe. Okay, so we know black on black is a vibe for me. Really, really love this piece here. So it's the black top. This one might be my favorite. I love these little sleeve details. I love the neckline. It has a little clasp in the back. So cute. I just paired it with some black faux leather pants you'll see in the cell phone footage, and some black heels and a black bag because, again, black on bliggity black black black. Yeah, this might definitely be one of my favorite pieces in the collection. Again, super comfortable. One thing I really appreciate about this collection is that not only was everything comfortable, the material was great on all of the pieces, and everything fits well too. I'm not struggling to get in or out of anything, so I really love this here. And I do have it tucked in a bit and cinched with my Gucci belt, but just super cute and easy. This is night out vibes. If we ever get a night out again, this will be what's worn. Baby, what a fun dress. So for this is my most unexpected piece because I never wear dresses like this, like ever. I'm not that girly, but I wanted to support this whole collection, but this is a pleasant surprise. This is going to get worn, and that means a lot because I just didn't think that it would be so cute. I like it cinched with the belt. Well, I'll show you in the footage, the cell phone footage. I'll show you with or without the belt, and then just some easy pointed mules. And this is so cute. Let me just grab a close by purse. Oh, this is cute. This is a cute little date night outfit. I really like this, and I'm excited that I do, because this, outside of the black color, because black is my favorite color, the style of dress is me stepping out my comfort zone, and I am pleasantly surprised. So kudos to Miss Janae, because this is a vibe. This is definitely a vibe, and I'm happy. This is my favorite piece. Let me just say, this material, this color, this is my favorite color for fall. I love this wrap top style. It has a little area here if you want to hook it, you know, but since I have a little black tube top underneath, I decided to wear it open, kind of tuck it into these leather pants, just have some flats on, and this, again, let me just grab my black bag. This is such a cute date night fall outfit. Just comfortable, and this is the right amount of girly for me. I love this. I love this material. Again, the color, the quality, how simple and easy it is to just pair with black, and this is gorgeous. I had to go out with a bang with my favorite piece of the collection. So Miss Janae, Highlowluxxe, I am so proud of you. I'm an avid supporter and a fan. Keep doing your thing, because girl, you have style, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like what you see, if you love try on style videos, give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.